Have you ever wondered about the mightiest predator that ever swam in our oceans, the Megalodon? This colossal creature, whose name itself is a chilling testament to its nature, is the subject of our exploration today. The word Megalodon hails from the ancient Greek language, with mega meaning big or great, and odon translating to tooth, a fitting name indeed, as the Megalodon was known for its massive serrated teeth, some of which measured over 7 inches in length. Just imagine, a single tooth from this beast could be as long as an average human hand. Now, let's try to visualize the size of this prehistoric shark. If we compare it with the largest shark swimming in our oceans today, the great white, the Megalodon truly outsizes it. The great white can grow up to 20 feet, but the Megalodon? It was believed to have reached lengths of 60 feet. That's 3 times the size of a great white. And that's not even the most impressive part. The estimated weight of this leviathan was a staggering 70 tons. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the weight of 10 African elephants combined. The Megalodon was, without a doubt, a force to be reckoned with. Its impressive size and weight, coupled with its razor-sharp teeth, made it the unrivaled king of the ocean. It's no wonder that the mere mention of its name is enough to send shivers down the spine. Despite its terror-inducing reputation, the Megalodon is a fascinating subject of study. It allows us a glimpse into a time when such monstrous creatures ruled the seas, a time that is so different from ours, yet so crucial to our understanding of life on Earth. Now let's dive deeper into the past, to the time when the Megalodon first appeared. The Megalodon first appeared approximately 23 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. This was a time, my friends, when the world was a vast, swirling cauldron of evolutionary change. The continents were inching closer to their current positions, and the climate was warmer than today, creating a perfect playground for the emergence of a new breed of oceanic predators. The Miocene epoch, spanning from 23 to just 5 million years ago, was characterized by a significant global cooling event. The gradual transformation of the Earth's climate led to the formation of the first polar ice caps. However, tropical and subtropical regions were still warm, promoting rich and diverse marine life. Now imagine the scene. The oceans teeming with life were a veritable buffet for any creature big and bold enough to take advantage. Enter the Megalodon. It's here in these warm, abundant seas that our toothy protagonist began to make its mark. The Megalodon was not born a giant. Its early days were likely spent as a medium-sized shark, scuttling around the ocean floor, hunting smaller prey. But the Miocene epoch was generous to our friend. The warm waters and abundant food supply provided the ideal conditions for the Megalodon to grow. And grow it did. As the Megalodon grew, it began to change. Its teeth became larger and more formidable, its body more robust. It was evolving, adapting to its surroundings, and becoming more efficient at its job, hunting. The Megalodon was not just a big shark, it was a perfectly designed hunting machine. The Megalodon's early days were marked by growth and adaptation. It was a creature shaped by its environment, molded by the conditions of the Miocene epoch, and as it grew, so did its appetite. This led to a shift in its hunting habits from small and medium-sized prey to larger marine mammals. The Megalodon's rise to dominance was not an accident. It was a result of millions of years of evolution, of adaptation, and of survival. As the Megalodon evolved, it became a formidable predator. The Megalodon was the apex predator of its time, ruling the oceans for nearly 20 million years. Imagine, if you will, a world where this giant shark, larger than any predator seen before or since, dominated the seas. That was our Earth during the reign of the Megalodon. The diet of this leviathan was as vast as its size, primarily comprising of large marine mammals like whales, seals, and dolphins. Its teeth, the formidable weapons of this oceanic titan, were a sight to behold. Picture a tooth larger than your hand, serrated like a steak knife, designed to slice through flesh and bone like butter. The Megalodon boasted a set of such teeth, around 276 of them, arranged in 5 rows in its massive jaws. The enormity of its jaws, spanning up to 11 feet wide, could easily engulf a small car, displaying the raw power and hunting prowess of this shark. The hunting patterns of the Megalodon were as ruthless and efficient as you'd expect from such a formidable predator. Evidence from fossil records suggests that it preferred to strike its prey from below, aiming for the chest or belly, inflicting fatal wounds to vital organs. This strategy, often referred to as the bite and wait tactic, allowed the Megalodon to conserve energy while its prey was weakened from the injury. Fossilized whale bones bearing the unmistakable marks of Megalodon teeth provide a chilling testament to its hunting habits. These fossils, scattered across the globe, from North America to Japan, from Australia to Europe, bear the silent witness to the reign of the Megalodon. So, if you ever find yourself swimming in the ocean, consider this. Beneath you, in the depths unseen, once swam a predator so powerful it ruled the seas for an epoch. And while we can only imagine the terror it must have inspired in its prey, we can appreciate the awe it inspires in us today. The Megalodon, however, was not destined to rule the oceans forever. Around 2.6 million years ago, the Megalodon mysteriously disappeared from the fossil record. This colossal beast, the largest shark to have ever lived, simply vanished. But why? What caused the extinction of this marine titan? Let's delve into the murky depths of prehistoric oceans and explore some theories. One widely accepted theory points to changes in the ocean's temperature. The Megalodon was a warm water creature, preferring the balmy tropical seas. As the Earth's climate changed, the oceans cooled. The onset of the Ice Age caused a significant drop in sea temperatures, essentially turning the Megalodon's paradise into a frozen wasteland. The species, unable to adapt to these harsh conditions, faced an inevitable downfall. But the story doesn't end there. Alongside the cooling oceans, sea levels also fell dramatically, reducing the shallow coastal areas where Megalodon loved to hunt. These changes in the marine landscape could have further squeezed the species towards extinction. Then there were the competitors. The arrival of new, nimble predators, such as the great white shark, may have added to the Megalodon's troubles. These smaller, faster predators could have outcompeted the Megalodon, stealing its food and further dwindling its chances of survival. Speaking of food, let's not forget the decline in the Megalodon's favorite menu items. As the Megalodon's prey, like the small to medium-sized whales, started to dwindle, so did its chances of survival. A predator, no matter how mighty, cannot survive without its prey. So it seems a combination of factors: changing ocean temperatures and sea levels, competition from other predators, and a decline in prey, likely conspired to end the reign of the mighty Megalodon. Each of these factors alone might not have been enough to cause extinction, but together they created a perfect storm that the Megalodon couldn't weather. So the mighty Megalodon vanished, leaving behind only its giant teeth as evidence of its existence. The story of the Megalodon is a stark reminder of the power of environmental change and competition in the natural world. Despite its extinction, the Megalodon continues to captivate our imagination. This prehistoric marvel, once the ruler of the oceans, has left an indelible mark in our minds, transcending the boundaries of time and space. Its legacy is not just preserved in the fossil record, but also in the realm of our collective consciousness, where it continues to stir a sense of awe and wonder. The Megalodon has become a cultural icon, a symbol of nature's unbound power and grandeur. Its enormous size and fearsome reputation have made it a favorite subject in literature and film. From the pages of science fiction novels to the silver screens of Hollywood, the Megalodon has made quite a splash, often portrayed as an underwater behemoth, a relic from a time when giants roamed the earth. In cinema, the Megalodon has been the star of numerous films, its immense size and strength providing an irresistible allure for filmmakers and audiences alike. Its portrayal, while often exaggerated for dramatic effect, reflects our fascination with the unknown, the ancient, and the extraordinary. But the Megalodon's legacy extends beyond popular culture. In the scientific community, this majestic creature continues to be a subject of intense study and debate. Paleontologists and marine biologists around the world are persistently unraveling the mysteries of the Megalodon, piecing together its life and times from the fossil evidence it left behind. Each new discovery adds another layer to our understanding of this magnificent creature, shedding light on its habits, its environment, and its role in the ecosystem. These efforts not only help us understand the Megalodon better, but also provide valuable insights into the evolution of life on Earth and the intricate dynamics of our planet's ecosystems. The Megalodon, a true titan of the past, continues to inspire awe and curiosity in us, reminding us of the incredible diversity and power of life on our planet. Its legacy is a testament to the marvels of nature and the enduring allure of the unknown, a story that continues to unfold one fossil at a time.